Okay, so today I'm going to be trying out something that I've seen all over Instagram and YouTube, and that is putting my very dirty beauty blender into the microwave. So what it calls for is just one bowl with dishwashing liquid in and water, and then what you do is just place your beauty blender in the bowl and put it in the microwave for 1 minute. So I guess we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, so I've finished the test and this is the final result. So as you can see here, the beauty blender is quite clean, but it's not perfectly clean. But this is because this beauty blender is a year old, and honestly, this is as good as it's gonna get. However, what I did find was a lot of Instagram and YouTube videos claimed that it only took them 1 minute to clean their beauty blender, but I did have to put mine in for an additional 2 minutes to get it this clean. So I definitely recommend trying that. Another thing was that the water is incredibly hot when you take it out, so make sure when you squeeze it that you actually have a glove, like a dishwashing glove on, because otherwise you will burn your hands and it's painful. Anyway, if you guys do choose to try out this video, let me know how it goes and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, bye guys!